Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the router UPS from a brand called Resonate. Now this is a UPS for your router, as the name suggests. UPS means uninterrupted power supply, and in case your home power goes out during the day but you have important emails to send out, this thing will keep your Wi-Fi router running for up to 4 hours. That's the amount of backup that these guys claim to provide. They also mentioned that this is lightweight and it has intelligent charging. We'll get to that in detail later on when we open it up. On the top we see nothing but the branding. On the bottom we have some additional information regarding the pricing as well as the input and output voltage supported. On this side again, just the branding, and on this side we have a little quality assurance sticker keeping the contents in check. We'll start with the unboxing by removing the sticker. Once we have that out of the way, we see the device itself. This is the Resonate router UPS. There's a little on-off switch over here, and on this side we have the power in and the power out sockets. We'll keep this to the side and see what else comes within the box. There's a quick 30 seconds installation guide, then a little pamphlet regarding the warranty. Please do read that. Then we have a separate compartment inside which we can find all the cabling, and they provide, it seems, plenty of cables with support for all the different sockets that different router manufacturers use. So if you're wondering whether your router is supported by this particular brand or this particular product, please do check out their website to see if they have a compatibility table. And if not, there is a good likelihood that they will, because these barrel connectors seem to be practically all the standard ones that manufacturers use in the market. So that's it for this little unboxing of the Resonate router UPS. Thank you for watching.